This is Dr. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Technology. This is a video series for the course Power Electronics and Drives. The course code is 19WT 301. It consists of the Unit 2 DC converters. A video series of Unit 2 DC converters. This is the first video of this series where we are going to discuss about the step up and step down DC converters. You mean DC converters means the output is a variable DC. The output is a variable DC. The input may be a DC supply or an AC supply. The input may be a DC supply or an AC supply. Therefore, here we are going to discuss about a step down DC converter and a step up DC converters. DC converters. The output is DC, which is given to an electronics load where it operates on a DC supply, or the output is given to a DC motor where the speed can be changed with the help of a variable DC supply. Whereas the input may be a DC supply or an AC supply. The application see here, it is a charger where DC supply is required. The DC to DC converters is also called as chopper. DC to DC converter is also called as chopper. You mean it is a power electronic device where it may consist of switches and some electronic devices, maybe diode, capacitor, inductors goes on, where a power electronic device which converts the voltage DC, fixed DC voltage into variable DC voltage. Fixed DC voltage into a variable DC voltage. See here, the left hand side, the input is your fixed DC supply. It may be any magnitude, maybe 10 volt or 15 volt or 100 volt. Whereas the output, see here, the DC voltage is chopped, and the on time alone appears as the output, whereas the off time of the DC doesn't appear as the output. Whereas this is again a DC supply or a variable DC voltage. Since the chopping frequency is very high, you have to calculate or the average DC output voltage. You have to calculate the average DC output voltage. And this average DC output voltage may be in decrement order or in increment order. If the average DC output voltage decreases from the input fixed voltage, then it is a step down. And if the average DC output voltage is more than the fixed DC input, then it is a step up converter. See here, the analogy of a DC-DC converter or a chopper is nothing but a transformer, what you studied in your electrical machines subject. You know a transformer is a static electrical machine where it transfers AC to variable AC, AC to step up AC, and AC to step down AC. It may changes. Either there may be a step up voltage, you mean step up transformer, step down transformer, or a center tap transformer, or multi tapping transformers like that. Therefore, simply saying that a DC-DC converter or a chopper is also known as a DC transformer. A DC transformer. The devices used in a chopper, as I've already discussed, is a power electronics device switch, acting as a switch. It may be a gate turn off thyristor, a IGBT, a power BJT, a power MOSFET, etc. Whereas, in particular, power MOSFET is used because it has a higher switching frequency. It is used for a higher switching frequency. Since the you chopper requires a high switching frequency, since the average output voltage should not be a chopped one, therefore a MOSFET is used here. The chopper symbol is denoted in the right hand side. The next video series, let me see the step down DC converter. Thank you for patient listening. Let me see in the next video series. Thank you.